Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're replacing the engine filter of this Nissan Rogue. It's a 2015 model. The engine filter can be used in a 2014 to 2017 models, so same procedure for all of them. First things first, we just need to pop the hood. So the engine filter is located in between here, so we need to take this part out. But before that, we need to unlock this metal over here, this plastic over here, and this other metal on this side. So we'll be using this. The link will be in the description for where you can buy it, and it's an easy process. So let's take this part out so we can be able to access the engine filter. So we can start with this part over here. So just pull it back, pull it up, you see, and then this one on the left, this metal over here, just pull it back, that's unlocked. And then this one on this side, that's unlocked, and now it's easy to just pull it out. So, okay, let's put this camera over here. This part probably also needs to be taken out, so we can be able to take this whole part out. So easy, just unlock it, down on the other side, this lock, and this lock over here. See how it slides out. You put this on the side, and then the next one will be this one. You don't need to take it out, you can just pull it back, and we can be able to access the engine filter from this side. I hope we can. Yep, we just pull it out, and then you slide it out easily. Not too bad, but bad enough to be replaced. So make sure it goes in the same exact way it came out. This part will be on the outside, and this other side will be on the inside. So push it inside, make sure it goes all the way in. Just confirm that it's intact inside, and then you can start by locking these two, this one on this side and this one. Just push it forward. Do the same for this one. Push it forward till you hear that pop, and then this part over here, slide it in from the top. Make sure these panels slide in on this side. And then slide it in slowly. And this part you can just push it in and you'll hear that pop. Same as this side, and then these ones you just push them down. Yep, they're locked. confirm everything went in perfectly. You're good to go. That easy. So this is something you can do at home by yourself, and as I mentioned, I'll share the link down in the description for where you can get this engine filter. Also, you can watch the previous video on how you can replace your cabin filter for the same car. I'll also share the link in the description, so make sure you go back and watch it. And as always, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in.